Hello guys, we want to look at question on shape and perimeter. How can we link our perimeter to area of a given shape? Now, they said if perimeter of this shape above is 132 centimeter, say find the maximum area that this shape can have. A maximum area. It looks so strange. Let's see how we can solve this question. Now, from here to this place, this is equal to this, equal to this, equal to this, equal to this. Let's name it. Let's call here A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now, if I call it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, now that means that A, from the statement AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to what? Let's call this one H. Equal to DH equal to what? HE. Meaning that let's say let all of them be X, for instance. So in that case, here will be X, 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 and so on and so on. So that is all that. Now, if you look at from here to this place is X, from here to here is X, and from here to here is X. That means that if I should extend this from here to this place, is from here to this place like this, is 3x. So meaning that AE in terms of length is equal to what? A what? Okay, GF. That means from here to this place is equal to from here to this place. And from here to here is X plus X. If you drag this particular shape in, you see that from here to here is equal to from here to here, which is X plus X, make it 3x. So here is what? 3x. Now, don't also forget, which is equal to 3x. Don't also forget that what? GA is equal to GA. Since this is what? Is a rectangle. We cannot say it's a rectangle, but on the opposite side, whether opposite rectangles a square are equal. The opposite side of a what? Of a rectangular shape or a square shape is what? They are both equal. Either any of the shape we want to consider. So I can actually say GH is equal to FE. And let's call it L. So if I call here L, from here to this place, let's call it L. And let me call this place L also. Now, I think we have completed all the necessary parts of the shape. Now, let's say if the perimeter of the shape above is 132, what is a perimeter? The perimeter is the total length that sum up to give a particular what? Shape. The total length that sum up to give a particular what? Shape. So the sum of the sum of this length is what we call perimeter. So perimeter is the total sum of length that make up a shape. So in that case, we can say, let's start from here. Here from here to here is what? That means the perimeter is equal to, for this shape, is equal to G, okay, let me say FE, FG plus FG plus GA plus AB plus BC plus CD plus CD plus CD plus DH plus HD or HE is DH plus HE, lastly plus what? EF. So that means this plus 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 this and plus this give us the perimeter of the shape. So all equal to what? 132 centimeter. So having done that, it makes the work very easy for us. Now we can now go ahead to finalize our solution. So we said what? Our FG is equal to L plus, what is our other GA? Okay, FG is 3x, sorry, this FG. Then GA is L plus AB is S plus BC is S plus plus X again, plus X again, plus S. That means we have 3x plus L plus S, 1 plus S, 2 plus S, 3 plus S, 4 plus S, 5. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? Plus L, which is the final one, which is equals to what? That should be equals to 132 cm. I think we are on the right track, so we don't have any problem with it. Now, what we now do is to sum all these things together. 3x plus 4, 5, 5x, 6x, 7x, 8x. So we have 8x plus L is what? 2L equal to what? 132. So that means that let us write our equation in form of L. So in form of X. That means making L the subject of formula. So we can reduce our variable to a single variable. So I would have it as what? 132 minus 8x equal to 2L. 132. We take this 8x to the other side. Simply just subtract 8x from both sides. Just remove 8x from both sides. That's what I mean by that. Minus 8x on both sides. When you do that, this one will go, then we'll have this. The remaining 2L. Then divide both sides by what? 2 to make L stand alone. So we have this. So L equals to what? 132 divided by 2 is equal to 66. Minus this divided by this is equal to what? 4x. Now don't forget that A plus B over C is the same thing as A over C plus B over C. I think that's what I did there. So that's what I apply here. Now, having done that now, our area is equals to, for the shape, area of the shape is equals to what? The combined what? The length and the breadth. The area of the shape is what? Everything that make up the shape. What are the shape area? First of all, if I section this, I will have two things here. This is A, and let's say this Y, and this X or P. So this one is a small area, and what is that small area? It will be what? That means the total area of this shape is what? The area of what? Of Y plus area of what? P. So what is area of Y? Area of Y is what? 66 minus 4x, which is what? The length times breadth. So where is the length now? The length is already having a new value. What is the length now? Is 66 minus 4x is our length now, which is the same thing as this. So length times breadth times 3x plus, what is the area of this small shape? Is what? X times x. Length times breadth, which is what? X times x. So what I would have now, I would have it as what? 66 minus 12x squared plus s squared is equals to what? A. So what I would have now, I haven't gotten that. The next thing to do is to what? Collect what? Our like test. Don't forget that we have to open up the bracket to get this. This times this is 12x squared. This times this is what? 66 times 3 will give us 198x. I think 198x. Yes. If you open up the bracket, this is the right what? Solution. Then this one can add up to give us what? 198x minus what? 11 what? X squared. So what do we do now? We'll go ahead to what? So this is our area. But for us to find the maximum area is what they say, find the maximum area. That's where the question become more tougher. But it's very easy, because what we are going to do now is that to find the maximum area, simply differentiate the a over the x, the area of the shape with respect to what? To x differential must be equal to 0 at maximum area. The differentiation of a with respect to x of the shape must be equal to what? To what? 0 at maximum area. So differentiate it, we are going to have what? The a over the s must be equal to what do we have? Differentiate of 198. If you differentiate 198x, 198, differentiate your order minus 22x. Now, having gotten that now, what we are going to do now is, let me clean this part. So, we differentiate now, we now equate everything to be equal to what? 0. So, we move it here, we solve it like equation. Now, 198 minus 22x equal to 0. So 198 equals to 22x. Divide both sides by 22. So x will now give us what? We are going to have it what? 11. Let's say 2 here. 2 here will give us what? 8, 9. Yes. 2. That means mainly what? 1, 2, 9, 2 times 9 is 18. Then 1 here, 2 here we have 9, 2 here 11. Therefore, we are going to have it as what? X to be what? Equal to 99 divided by 11. We are going to have what? 9. So having gotten 9 as our x, that is to say, what will make this shape to have a maximum area is when x is equal to 9 centimeters. So that means the maximum area this shape can occupy is when x is equal to 9 centimeters. So we're going to have what? The maximum area is equal to what? Don't forget, this is our area. So anywhere we see that formula, we put 9 there. What do we have? 198 times 9 minus 11 into bracket what? 9 square. So if you do this very well, you are supposed to have it as what? This one will give us 72. Let me clean the up one. 72, we have 2 carry 7. 81 plus 7, we have what? 81 plus 7 is 88, right? 8 carry what? 8. Then we have what? 1, 7. That is what? Then 8 plus 1, 7 plus 8 here is correct. Minus what? This one is 81. 81 times 11. 81 times 11 will give us 1. Then 1, 8, 9. Then 8. I think that is what? 81 times 11 will give us 8, 9, 1. So if you subtract, I would have it what? As what? Subtract to get the area. If you do that, 1782 minus 891. I would have it as 1. Borrower here, we have 18. 18 minus we have 9. Remainder 16, we have 8. So we are going to have it as 891 centimeters square. So the maximum area, so the maximum what? Area of the shape is 891 centimeters square, which is when what? S equal to what? 9 centimeters. So I believe that what? This video is what? It's very, very clear and very understandable by everyone that watched it. My name is Engineer Ali. Please subscribe and click the notification button to get more of this video. Thank you.